Super Mario GVT presents beginning consonant sounds. In this video, we'll teach you beginning consonant sounds, where consonants go with vowels to make sounds and to make words. Say the sounds these consonants make when they go with the vowels. B, ba, bat, bi, big. Bug. D, dog. Did. Dad. F, fan. Fin. Fun. H, hat. Hot. Him. J, jet. Jaw, jot. Jam. K, kid. Kin. L, lip. Lap. Let. M, man. Met. Mop. N, net. Nut. Not. P, pig. Pet. Pup. R, rat. Red. Run. S, sun. Sit. Sat. T, ten. Tan. Tip. V, van. Vet. Vat. W, web. Wit. Wet. Y, yak. Yet. Yum. Z, zip. Zig. Zag. Well done. In the next video, we'll do a review game. Did you learn the beginning consonant sounds?